So we made this review after testing this product for a while. Hope this video will help you to find the answer, is it suitable for you or not. Let's get started.
If you're thinking about using the Credit Pros for credit repair, this review is based on my experience after using the service for about 6 months. When I first signed up, my goal was simple: improve my credit profile and address a few questionable items that were affecting my score. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I liked that the company provided a clear explanation of what they could and couldn't do. One of the biggest positives was convenience. Instead of handling disputes on my own, the Credit Pros took care of much of the process and kept me updated along the way. Their customer support was generally responsive whenever I had questions, and I appreciated having access to credit monitoring tools in one place. After several months, I did see some progress. A few negative items were challenged, and my credit situation improved compared to where I started. However, it's important to understand that results were not immediate. Credit repair is a slow process, and anyone expecting dramatic changes within a few weeks may end up disappointed. As for the downsides, the monthly fees can add up over time. Also, not every disputed item was removed, which is something many people misunderstand about credit repair services. No company can legally guarantee that negative information will disappear if it's accurate and verified. Before signing up, pay close attention to the pricing, cancellation terms, and the specific features included in your plan. Compare the cost with the option of disputing items yourself, which you can do for free. Overall, my experience with the Credit Pros was positive, mainly because it saved me time and provided guidance throughout the process. Just go in with realistic expectations. Credit repair isn't a magic fix, but if you want professional assistance and don't mind paying for the convenience, the Credit Pros may be worth considering.